This is a top-handle cordless jigsaw from Ryobi, which is commercially designed for light industrial use and DIYers. It's part of the ONE+ battery range, which uses the interchangeable 18-volt lithium-ion batteries from Ryobi. So you normally purchase the batteries separately to suit the tool and size requirements. And it's lithium-ion, which is far greater than NiCad as it holds its charge, is quicker to charge, and has built-in protection features to improve the life and performance of the battery and tool at use. This saw runs at 2400 strokes per minute and has a 19mm stroke length, with the SDS jaws for quick, hassle-free blade changes. The sole plate can be adjusted to desired angles, allowing for miter cuts to be made between 0 and 45 degrees, with a maximum cutting depth of 56mm in wood and 6mm in metal. It has a selector to change the guide wheel into 3 different pendulum actions or elliptical cutting, resulting in much faster cuts. This really does increase the speed of the cut as the blade moves in an elliptical motion. However, it does result in a rougher cut. The vacuum attachment facilitates better dust management, and together with the LED light, you have a clear view of your cutting line. The safety push button prevents accidental activity of the highly responsive pressure-controlled speed trigger switch, which is a great safety feature. Weighing in at 1.5 kilograms, overall this is a great complement to the ONE+ cordless range. If you found this clip useful, like it, share it, we'd love to get your feedback. You can also subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel, where there are numerous product reviews just like this, as well as DIYs for you to replicate or be inspired.